Mrs. Makuwere. Some clothes sewn for me in Gambia and it arrived today. Everything else fits except for my husband's clothes. It's too big, so I've called one of our local tailor that I know, this lady, and I asked her if she could do it. She said she's gonna call me back. I don't want to cry. I panicked. I was on the phone to my mom. I was panicking. I was like, so I need to sort that out, but I know it will get sorted, and on the day it will be fab. So I'm really, really excited. Idris is excited. Oh. Okay, so we're going to the tailor's. Wish us luck. Gonna get it sorted. Hopefully everything will be fine, and we can pick it up tomorrow morning. Hopefully. Why? Stop.
What kind of a tailor do you think this is?
A tailor.
This is not going to Timson's, right?
Oh please, even Timson's, they're not gonna do that.
Will tell you it's ready tomorrow. It will be ready tomorrow at 9 a.m. This ain't gonna be tomorrow morning. don't, come on.
It's here.
It's not gonna be ready until...
It will, just park right here. It'll be ready. Hi everybody, I want to show you my mom. Do we look alike? Let me smile, Hey man, you're not here.
What's your problem? Come here.
But yeah, so I've taken the clothes to Regina. She is fixing it. You know what? I actually sat there picking out the thread for her. My wig is not laid correctly, but say no more. Don't worry. Come Eid day, mashallah, it will be laid. I'm not wearing this wig. I'm swapping the wig. I'm coming fresh, new, looking.
Where's the balloons going, sorry?
It's gonna be spot right there.
Are you doing like little balloons?
Wow, then spring onions. Tomato, then put some salad. You def cherry tomatoes. Wow, that's the seasoning, ready for the meat to be grilled tomorrow, inshallah. Season, yeah, but nobody is ever going to say that we can't season meat. Make sure you season your chicken till it's in there. Don't show no remorse. Okay, so for the next season, this is just for the kids chicken because they don't really like it spicy. I'm using this, and this is from Costco. So we're just gonna add some of this in there. Oh, okay. Not of you. Okay, so we're just gonna put all of that. And we're gonna just add a little bit of the seasoning, just a tiny bit. So I'm about to give Idris a haircut.
Yeah, I like haircuts.
Stay still, yeah? I know, but you can be really brave.
Lame, bro.
Yeah, let him blow all the speed. Let the mom blow it after because I'm not going to blow it.
Idris, sorry, it's very hard to blow, okay? But thank you for helping me. Where is the blue tack?
Blue tap, put your feet one day.
Go get the blue tack.
Tell my from the field.
C'est comme l'ini kitchen bilane ko ñom ñoo xam fu ko def. Where is the blue tack?
I don't know.
Where is the blue tack?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know where the blue tack is? Find it. Honey, I know blue tack, babe. There was a blue tack. Where is it? Idris, where is it? Blue tack.
It was only
Blue tack.
Yeah.
Where is the blue tack?
Ik word denk ik over met groeien. Ik word van je.
Where are you son and I balloon bile? Find the blue tack. This is our Eid decoration. That's what it's looking like. What do you guys think, Daddy? Look at our decoration.
Look at this party fish.
It's nice. No, not this.
Ibrahim, you fasting. Why are you in the kitchen?
We got these cake stands from Home Bargains. Home Bargains, and we're gonna try and create this. We're gonna try and use this anyway.
We don't need to go pray.
Eid Mubarak. Yeah, we actually need to go pray. We missed the prayer, obviously, because my husband decided to.
Your husband.
Yes, babe, you did not finish early. I woke up at 6:30 just for myself.
Say if you wanna do like that, you know what I mean? You! The moment I shake hands, I pick you up. When I go buy you, you get locked.
Yo, my man. My man. That's my brother. That's my little brother, by the way. He's bigger than me, but hey, I'm so low. You look good. You look good. Yeah. My auntie mom is here. Yang nice. This is my one and only auntie. Yang nice. Eid Mubarak. Idris. Adi is Jibril. Grandpa, you can help him open it. Did you get it, Jay? This is from us. Hey, that's how one of people banana there. I'm sorry. One of people have been like, banana.
Tired.
You were Jibril yesterday. You did the same thing. We are lacking 2 down.
Honestly.
But I don't want to sort ni.
No, but
No, I'm not sure because petit jonga man, I'm definitely. Why? Why? Ah, did why?
This is the champion of barbecue.
Honestly, let me take off my headset.
Look at Mrs. Makuwere. I know. It start raining. Please pray for us, guys.
We cannot. This is our afra, so this is like our suya type. So I'm about to. You forgot this, the corn. This is what happens when you buy too much food. Is that all you having? The small rice?
Stop airing people's face.
Look, this them guys straight onto salads.
Onto your one.
Dressed up. Anyway. Ooh, look at her go. Yay! What's going on? Eid was absolutely amazing. We had such an amazing time with family, with friends, and it was just basically memories. I have captured so many memories. The food was so good. I did cook all the dishes, but I love to cook anyway. The food was so good. We're having leftovers, and it's amazing to have leftover meals after Eid anyway. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a very special Eid. I hope you enjoyed the Eid vlog. Don't forget to comment, subscribe as well. But I will see you in my next video and hope to see you very soon. Bye.